up, bud? How are you?
The best press conference ever.
Oh, man. Now we're down here. Just wasting time. What else are you gonna do? Train, eat, shop. I come down here and blow a load of money on my beautiful woman and myself. And that motivates me to push and keep going. Not many people from where I come from experience this. So I'm just happy and grateful and motivated. I'm gonna go eat and then I'm gonna go walk. And that's it. What if we got 2 rolls of rice today?
Why not?
What if we got one with a soft top and one with a hard top? What's the purpose? It could rain out here, but just know I'm prepared. Bang in the middle of the street, because I own the West Coast. It's cross, right? What do you mean cross, yeah? In the middle of the street I walk. Who's gonna stop me? Anyone gonna stop me?
From Flow Rider.
Right, Conor!
Parking my baby out, right in your house. That should be out on the road. Let's roll to the roads. Be careful now on that. What do you think this is, motherfucker? Do it on the f***ing Yukon. You'll end up in that boot.
I've never been in a Rolls.
No? Welcome.
Welcome to the club.
Tuck it in, look. Get that. I'm gonna come up to you tomorrow.
Dude, I swear to God.
I'm gonna come up to you tomorrow.
You're the f***ing man.
They're like a cardboard cutout of me in a fighting stance and the Irish flag draped over the balcony. That is f***ing crazy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, my name is Bruce Miller. I'm known as Bruce the Driver.
working with Floyd as his personal chauffeur, and I take care of all of his fleet, a fleet of over 2-3 dozen cars. This is the Bugatti Sport convertible. I think this is one of his favorites. We got the Bugatti, the Veyron, 2 of them, and then we got the Enzo 2003. Very powerful car right there. We got total almost $9 million right here on this garage alone. Very important to keep these cars maintained 100% so they can keep their value and keep going up. Champ said, I know y'all can do it. I need 4 cars and 3-car garage. It's a real tight squeeze. And these bodies are worth so much. So as you get these cars through those 3 doors, everything is precise. You understand? Everything is parked 100%. This is not just a haphazard system of storing these vehicles. We got this limo here. He loves this thing too. When he just want to kick back, TMT limo is available for him. And he's got miscellaneous Rolls Royces that he's got his choice of each and every day. He might come out and say, I want to take this one. You never know what he's going to come out with. Everybody tries to crack that Mayweather coat. It ain't happening. If he thinks you know which car he's going to drive, he's going to change it up. So you got to have everything ready. You might think he's in the mood for a sedan or a coupe, and he'll say, pull out the Enzo, just to go down the block to the store. So you don't never know. You just always got to be on point. Let's go check on Champ, see if he's ready. See which one he's going to drive today. It's a key drawer. This is for all Champ's cars, most of them. We got the Ferrari right here. We got another Ferrari, but you just got to know what you're doing to know which is which. Or you might get slowed down.
Straight away, I open up Bastards and 911s, them post calls. What's happening, bro? I'm out of here, where? He out of there. I'm out of here, where? He out of there.
This garage right here is what we call the $1 million garage. This is actually, this is a cheap Bugatti.
This is a cheap Bugatti. What's your definition? Educate us.
Okay.
What is a cheap Bugatti?
Well, it's not cheap, but it's not the best Bugatti that money can buy. This Bugatti right here costs 1.6 million. And this Bugatti right here costs 1.6.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, 1.6 and 1.6.
And what about the white one over here?
This over 3 million. The Crocodile Hermes clutch handle. You got crocodile keys, and you also get your name engraved in the car. So it's a lot more, you know, to this car right here. This is the first car I bought the first day I was home from jail. My first day home from jail, this is what I bought.
And you bought it that day, why?
When I was locked away, I seen it in a book. And so I said, you know, I marked it and said, I'm gonna buy this when I get out. When I got out, you know, I had the DuPont registry book. When I got out, I went to the dealership. I was in LA. I told somebody, take me by the dealership. They didn't know who I was because I had, you know, my hair had grown. They was like, it's me. They said, hey, Flo, what's going on? I said, what's going on? I said, I want this car. They said, it's sold. I said, well, did they give you the money yet? They said, no. I said, well, I'm going to give it to you right now. And I got it.
Now, is this you collecting cars, or do you actually drive all of them?
Actually, I don't, we call, you know, they call me the dust collector.
And why is that?
I let them collect dust.
Fights I usually come out maybe 2-3 weeks before, but every time I come back, it seems to be a little bit more crazy with the fans, you know. They treat me like I'm one of their own. And then I've been driving to the gym every day, and I drive past this guy's apartment, and it's like on the balcony, he has like Irish flags and a cardboard cutout of me like sitting on his balcony. So now we're gonna go drop into him and see what he's about and meet one of the fans.
Maybe Mr. McGregor.
What's up?
Holy shit, man.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? This is awesome.
I'm blown away by this, man. I drove by a couple of times and I was like, what the f?
Yeah,
I thought I was seeing things at first. Like,
No, it's been up since your Max Holloway fight, man.
No way. Are you looking forward to the fight next week?
Oh, yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
You kidding me? I got my shirt, my wardrobe in there. I got your shoes. You see them right through there.
What, the Reeboks?
Yeah, it says champ on the back.
I don't even have them. I don't even need them ones. They are unbelievable,
I'm
man.
telling you, man. Yeah.
Honestly, man, that's unbelievable. I'm going to put on a show for you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
every Saturday before the fight, I put up my cardboard cutout, I put up the flag, I put up the banner. The only thing I can say, and I hope Conor sees this, is that feeling he had with Jose Aldo when he knocked him out and he became the champ, hands down, that's what I felt like tonight. Like, that's how amazing it was. And I really hope he sees that. And I mean, I think they saw it on my face, and there we go again. See, it's going again. But that's the best I can say, man. I'm enamored right now, man. I'm shaking. I'm acting like such a little baby, and I'm sorry.
I appreciate it, man. Honestly, it's an honor to meet you, brother.
I appreciate the support of all the fans out here and all over the world. I never take it for granted. I use it as a motivation, so I am extremely grateful to the fans.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
That was awesome. My goodness.
That was something else, wasn't it?